Shiva here. Welcome back to Varma's Kiss. Today in our channel I am going to show you a fabulous mango ice cream recipe. It's very easy recipe guys and it's perfect for this hot summers. So let's get started.
Take 150 grams of biscuits. You can take any biscuits of your choice. I'm just taking Parle-G biscuits. You can also take Marigold biscuits for this recipe. Now take a blender, add the biscuits to the blender. Now blend it until you get the texture of the biscuit as I am showing on the screen. Now take a mixing bowl and add the biscuit mixture to it. Add half cup melted butter. We have to use melted butter only because it helps in mixing the biscuit powder evenly. Don't use freezed butter because you may find difficulty in mixing it. Mix well until the butter and the biscuit powder is completely mixed. As you can see on the screen, you have to mix until you find this type of texture. Now take a baking pan. Usually for this recipe we have to take a baking pan which have an ability to remove the base from the bottom, but I don't have such type of baking pan. So I am using a trick. If you also don't have that type of pans, use this trick. Just place 2 baking papers in a plus sign as I am doing it. And set the base using a spatula. Don't tear the sides because we need it for the pulling the cake. So gently fold it to the downwards. Now add the biscuit mixture which we have made it earlier. And spread it evenly. Now with the help of a glass, you have to set the biscuit powder. You just have to press it over the biscuit powder to set it in the baking pan. You can also use a steel cup for this recipe, it's just based on your availability guys. Using a glass would be much easier. The biscuit powder is neatly set. Let's refrigerate it for 1 hour. Now take a large bowl, add 1 cup of whipping powder. I am using Baker's Villa whipping powder. Add 1 cup of milk. We have to use same quantities guys. Beat until you get the stiff peaks. If you are using whipping cream, when you come to this consistency, add 1 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. When you come to this consistency, add half cup of Milk Maid. Don't skip this guys, it is the secret ingredient for the ice cream cake. And beat well until all the Milk Maid is completely mixed. Now add half cup of mango puree. Make sure it is smooth. And beat well until you get a stiff peaks. As you can see, we have got the stiff peaks guys. Now add 1 cup of mango pieces and mix well until the ice cream and the mango pieces are mixed. Let's keep it aside. Now take out the baking pan from the refrigerator and add the ice cream over it and neatly set the top of the ice cream. As it is an ice cream recipe guys, you can take some of the ice cream for yourself and enjoy it after keeping it 1 hour in the fridge. When it comes to decorations, you can do any decorations of your choice. I'm just using mango puree and arranging it in this order. And with the help of a toothpick, I am doing some designs. You can do designs of your choice. Just need to drag the toothpick from left to right or right to left or up to down or down to top. It's your wish guys. You can do any styles of your choice. I'm done with the dragging. You can see the design, it's very eye-catching guys. Now for the garnish, I'm just adding small mango pieces at the corners of the cake. Now take a plastic cover which you can find easily in your homes, or you can also use plastic wrap if you have it, and gently place it. Don't press the plastic cover over the cake because we don't want to spoil our cake design. Just place it and cover it. Now we have to refrigerate our cake for overnight. So after overnight, you can see the cake is perfectly freezed and the design is perfectly set guys. Rest the cake for 2 minutes outside the fridge and unfold the baking paper. And carefully drag the baking paper in the upward direction for demoulding the cake. Make sure you are very careful because the baking paper may got wet and lost its strength. Make sure you hold the baking pan while removing it. It may help you removing the cake fastly. So be patient and remove the cake very carefully. As you can see, I have got my cake out of the mold. So the edges are perfect, they are not damaged in any way. The cake tin is also perfectly clean guys. As you can see, the base is perfectly stiff, so we don't need to worry a lot. Let's place it on the plate. and peel off the baking paper, guys. Now with the help of a knife, remove the cake out of the baking paper and take off the baking papers and place the cake over the plate. With the help of a same knife, neatly set the sides of the cake by just dragging the knife in a circular motion. Now let's cut the cake, guys. As you can see, guys, the cake is so creamy, and we can also see some mango chunks in between the cake. It just enhances the look of the cake very well, guys. Let's place it in a plate. As you can see, guys, the mango pieces, the design which we have made earlier, and the biscuit powder is very stiff, guys. As you can see in the screen, the ice cream is so smooth and the biscuits are super crunchy, guys. It's a perfect recipe for this hot summers. Ready to enjoy.